Good evening, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to Market Pulse video, where we discuss about what's happening in the market and what could be expected in the upcoming weeks. Last week we could not do this Market Pulse video because of some, commitments that I had to other two. But then, yes, this week we are back, and today being the swearing in ceremony for the new prime minister, not the new, in fact, the same prime minister. So it is Modi 3.0 that's starting. And with that, I don't want to clash with our video. So we thought, okay, let's wait for that ceremony to get over and then we can get going with, yes, our Market Pulse video. A lot of things happened in the market in the last 2 weeks. Market has been absolutely crazily volatile. And the best part is the markets had such a big fall on the day of result, and from there a fast recovery within just 3 days. And the best part is, even on the previous day of result, the way the market had closed, the closing level, I'm saying, today on Friday we had seen the close above that. So markets are at all time high, and the markets are with absolute euphoria trying to go up further. Well, one thing is for sure, the India growth story is still continuing, and the markets are in no way or no mood to kind of take a fall at this point of time. There was some fear whether there could be any problems because BJP did not get absolute majority, but then the NDA alliance has actually sailed through. So that is actually a good thing for the economy now. Well, not from a political party point of view. I don't support any political party. I am only talking from the stock market, specific side. At this point of time, things in India is continuing to be looking good. RBI monetary policy was there. They have kept the interest rates stagnant, status quo. So no change there. Markets will see some changes as we go further. We are expecting the RBI, monetary policy to at some time start reducing the interest rate. That could make the markets fly higher. But like I always say, markets always digest or realize all the upcoming news in advance. So whatever has happened is already, or whatever is expected to happen has already been factored into the market. And not only that, markets are settled for that and trying to move up. Let me again remind you, markets can only see a big fall when something totally unexpected comes into picture, and that is something that nobody ever in the world can predict. So what is that? When is that going to happen? Nobody knows. But then one thing for sure we know is, whatever fall happens, it would be an opportunity to invest. In fact, on the day of results, June 4th, when the markets fell big, we had posted in the community to add some funds, and I'm sure those members who added a fund, including me, have made amazing returns in the next 3 days. And really happy to be investing at that point of time. We look at all opportunities of fall. All fall as opportunities to invest, and that has always given us amazing returns. But then, how much to invest during the time is something that you should know, and that's exactly where we come into play as MPI Invest, guiding you how much to keep invested where, so that you can do the right kind of investment to grow your money faster. Well, moving on, come up in the upcoming week, the markets are going to see some more stability, is what I expect. Market should stabilize now since the government has actually formed and the swearing ceremony is over. So that means markets should take some stability now. No major news expected for now. Global markets are also doing decently well. So overall markets are doing good. Gold prices have been going up and up. So that is something that is actually good. With our kind of investment that we've done in the equity as well as gold, we are actually sitting at great returns at this point of time. Apart from that, what I can also tell you is the markets are actually looking like a buy on dip situation at this point of time. So any dip can be considered as a point to buy. But then, as an investor, what you need to do is being more consistent in investing, like I always say. And a good way to start your investment journey would be with the SIP. If you have not done so, this is the best time to start doing it. Do contact us. Schedule a meeting with us at mpiinvest.com, and we will connect on a one-to-one meeting that can help you invest better. So at this point of time, I would say the markets are looking good. Equity will continue to grow faster, and real estate in India is also doing well. Commodities is also doing well. So it is kind of a unique combination where all the three sectors are doing actually really well. But then real estate is something that I would recommend only as a small portion of your investment, because it's not easy to diversify in real estate. But then equity is the first thing that you should start if you're a new investor, and real estate is probably the last thing that you should do as an investor. So of course there are a lot of reasons. You can learn all about this by following us on our Instagram page, because we've just launched today the new knowledge series that would be coming up on the Instagram channel of ours. You can search for MPI Invest on Instagram and follow us there, and you will find latest updates there also. So well, this weekly this weekly podcast will continue, but then there are some knowledge series that's coming up on Instagram. We'll try to bring it on YouTube Shorts as well. So that would probably take some time, but then yes, Instagram is where you need to be learning a lot of things about personal finance, and we will share things in a simple manner that could help you invest right and grow financially. So that's it for now. Markets everybody's thrilled the kind of returns that markets have been giving. I am sure you should be happy with it. But however, personally, if I talk about my portfolio, I'm about 60% invested in markets in India, and about 40% is invested elsewhere. That is a combination of gold and or commodities and real estate, I would say. And overall, I would say markets and my diversification into gold and real estate overall is giving a great return at this point of time. Really happy about it, the way we have planned our investments and done that. So that's something that you need to do, and naturally things will go great for you also. But those who are heavily invested in the market, I would suggest do some profit booking at this point of time. Not a great time to be holding 100% equity unless you are a high risk taker, and then of course I don't have any comment to make on that. But apart from that, financial management is something very important which needs to be reviewed on a regular basis, and ensure that you rebalance your portfolios on a periodic basis to help your portfolio grow. And that's exactly where MPI Invest as a company comes into picture and helps you grow your wealth. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up with more details next Sunday. But do follow our Instagram page, where we would also be getting some other information and learning for helping you grow financially. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye. Have a great week ahead.